Let's make this super easy, creamy, cheesy salmon pasta. You can do this without pasta, but my kid loves pasta, so I'm just making tricolor pasta. I use vegetable broth in the water, so it was mostly vegetable broth in that, and then some seasonings. And then while that is cooking, I dried off my salmon. I cleaned it, dried it off, and I'm just going to season it. You can season yours however you like, whatever seasonings you like. Today, I just use some onion powder, some garlic powder, some seasoning salt, and some lemon pepper. And I just season it to taste. I season both sides of the salmon. I did cut my skin off because I am not a salmon skin lover. And then once I season that, I just put it in a pan with about 2 tablespoons of butter because I'm just using 4 pieces of salmon here. So I cooked that on both sides till it was done. Then I used that same pan, put some olive oil, some garlic, some chopped onions, and then once that cooked down, I added some heavy cream. I added extra heavy cream because I was using it for a pasta. I added the little bit of the vegetable broth that was left, some spinach, added a lot of spinach because I love spinach, and then some grated Parmesan cheese. Cook that all down, and you're going to want to wait till it thickens up a little bit. But like I said, I used extra heavy cream because I was doing mine with a pasta, and this is how it came out. So quick, so easy, and it's like a good cheesy meal to have, but you can have it without pasta too.